Zebra, known for its distinctive black and white stripes, is a strikingly beautiful and iconic African mammal. These herbivores often gather in groups, providing safety in numbers against predators in the savannas and grasslands where they roam. Their unique stripe patterns are believed to help with temperature regulation and confuse biting insects. Elephant, the largest land mammals on Earth, are known for their immense size and remarkable intelligence. These gentle giants form tight-knit family groups, led by a matriarch, and display complex social behaviors, including deep emotional connections. Unfortunately, they face threats from habitat loss and poaching, highlighting the urgent need for conservation efforts to protect these majestic creatures. Duck are versatile waterfowl found on every continent except Antarctica, adapting to various aquatic habitats. Their distinctive webbed feet make them excellent swimmers, while their quacks and colorful plumage add charm to ponds and wetlands. These omnivorous birds play vital roles in ecosystems, helping control insect populations and dispersing plant seeds. Squirrel, small and agile rodents, are famous for their bushy tails and tree-dwelling habits. They are skilled climbers and use their strong teeth to gnaw on nuts and seeds, contributing to forest regeneration by unintentionally planting trees. These nimble creatures are a common sight in parks and woodlands, adding a touch of lively charm to natural environments. Rabbits are small, herbivorous mammals with a prolific breeding rate, known for their long ears and quick agility. They burrow into the ground for shelter and safety from predators, showcasing their digging skills. Their role as prey animals in various ecosystems helps support predator populations while maintaining a balance in the food chain. Cat, beloved companions to humans for thousands of years, are known for their independence and graceful agility. These carnivorous mammals have retractable claws, keen senses, and a strong hunting instinct. With diverse breeds and personalities, they bring joy and companionship to countless households worldwide. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to see more videos like this, turn on the notifications, and leave a like to help the channel grow. Thank you for watching.